When in Orissa, different IT companies started coming and operating, maybe it is entrepreneurship by the people of Orissa or people from different states came to Bhubaneswar to set up their IT firms. They were all operating for the last from 1987, 88 to 98, almost 10 years. They operated with individual have no connect with any other service providers or system integrators. So, for the first time, few prominent members who were in the business of IT came together to think of a platform called Information Technology Association of Orissa, where they will represent hardware manufacturers, system integrators, software, people in software and different IT education services to come under one platform. So, that is how in 1998 Information Technology took birth, Association of Odisha took birth, and the ITAO logo was unveiled. Initially, we were around 10 to 15 members. We started this association, and subsequently all members who were associated with education or IT services joined hands, and then ITAO became a 50-member association in a very short span of 2 to 3 years. And when the association was made, then we thought that how to make it public or how to showcase to the IT fraternity and the people at large. So, we thought to take help of an event, and IT Expo 98 was first conceived as an event to showcase IT products and services to the people of Odisha. It was an overwhelming response because Government of Odisha also participated as a co-organizer, supported this event, and we had the national support from NASSCOM, and with the support of Government of Odisha and the IT fraternity, IT Expo got into different every year they started showcasing this event where people will get an IT awareness, and most of the player in the education sector, service sector could display their products and services to the consumers. The first and foremost thing that IT Expo could do is to create an awareness for all users concerned to IT, because today you see IT has become a common tool for everybody, starting from students to professionals. So, the products, specifications, technological advancement and use of product and marketability of these products and prices, these were not been displayed at a common platform. So, through this event process, lot of popularization happened. Second is, there was also a need for creating an awareness in IT education. So, we had a lot of players in ITAO members who are in the education sector also started participating and display and showcasing their products or their services to the IT consumers. So, through this we feel there was a two-way process. IT users, there was a remarkable growth in IT users, as well as the IT business also grew over 30% year on year basis. So, it was an event which was a win-win for both the IT fraternity and the IT users also. From the very beginning, as you know, Odisha Computer Application Center is a nodal agency on behalf of Government of Odisha, and they have been associated with Information Technology Association since beginning. And we also had some time IDCO, the Industrial Development Corporation, which is an infrastructure creator for on behalf of Government of Odisha, also were partnering with Information Technology Association to see that how entrepreneurs can be given land and buildings at affordable price, so that the entrepreneurs can start up their setups. We also were been participated at various forums to ensure that we get a good IT policy, and Government of Odisha in that sense, be it e-governance, be it IT policy, always in the forefront in the national arena. So, we feel that Etava has been a good partner in progress with Government of Orissa in bringing IT revolution in the state.